In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Steamapps folder. Whether you need to locate your game files for modifications, troubleshoot an issue, or simply want to explore, finding your Steamapps folder can sometimes feel a bit frustrating, especially if you're not overly familiar with the file systems on your computer. But don't worry, I'm here to guide you through it with ease. First, let's start by opening your Steam client. If you use Steam frequently, you probably have a shortcut on your desktop or you might have it pinned to your taskbar. But if not, no problem at all. You can simply search for it in your Start menu by typing Steam. Once you have the Steam client open and ready to go, we'll move on to the next step. Now that you're in the Steam client, click on the Library tab. You can find this just at the top of the window, nestled between Store and Community. The library brings up a list of games and software you've purchased or added to your account, and it's essentially the main hub for all your activities on Steam. With the library open, it's time to select one of your installed games. Just find the game you have installed and give it a right click. By doing this, you'll open a context menu. From here, navigate down and click on Properties. After clicking, a new window will pop up, dedicating space entirely to the game you selected. In the Properties window, look for the tab labeled Local Files. You'll see several options here, but what you're interested in is the Browse Local Files button. Once you click on this nifty button, it will open a File Explorer window for you. Now, you are suddenly transported straight to the games folder on your hard drive. It's like a backstage pass to all your games files and folders. Inside here, you'll see the Steamapps folder, typically within a path that looks something like this: C, Program Files x86 Steam Steamapps Common. If you're wondering why it's located here, that's because by default, Steam installs games in this directory. The Steamapps folder is a treasure trove that houses not only your beloved games but also important files like configuration settings and mods. And there you have it. You've successfully located your Steamapps folder. Remember, it's crucial to exercise caution when moving or modifying files within this folder. Mistakes can lead to issues launching games or worse, cause complications with the Steam client itself. So, always make sure you know exactly what changes you're implementing. With this newfound knowledge, you can manage your Steam library more effectively, troubleshoot any issues with confidence, and perhaps even partake in some modding marvels. I hope this walkthrough has been helpful for you. Be sure to subscribe for more guides and tips. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy gaming!